Hi everyone, today we are unboxing the LG Gram. This is the LG Gram 16. Wait, we're not unboxing the LG Gram? Oh, we are unboxing the Lenovo Yoga 16. Did you like my flex? Actually, there is a Lenovo Flex, but today we're unboxing the Lenovo Yoga 7i 16-inch. That's this one over here. The reason I have the LG Gram, that's going to be explained right now. My primary computer for years has been the Lenovo Yoga 720, the 13-inch one, and this has been an awesome computer. Very well built, very well balanced, a joy to use. But then unfortunately it's a bit worse for wear. Still works, performance is great, but the screen is damaged, and there are a few other things that are not quite right with it. So now is a good time to jump into the Alder Lake CPUs and get a replacement computer. Now this format, the 13.3-inch computer, is great, and for the way I use it, I rarely use it on a desktop. I'm always, using it on the sofa, lying down with it, and I normally move it around with one hand, and that's probably one of the reasons why it is broken. So when it came to thinking about a replacement, for a while the Lenovo laptops haven't had the same kind of feel of this one. They don't have the same build quality with the metal casing for the screen. Normally they've been polycarbonate and quite thick, not nearly as sleek as this one. So that's been a little bit of a disappointment. But then enough of the babble. We're going to open this box and see how it looks inside. Okay, so are you ready? Gonna try and find the top of this box. How does it open? So it looks like we want it open from the bottom here, so we're gonna cut the label. Pull out the tab. And we're going to pull it out from here. So let's see if we can get the angle a little bit better. Okay. Let's get this out of the way. That's better. So we're going to pull out the laptop. And there it is. And in the box, what do we have in here? We have probably what is a quick start guide. We have more foam in here. Oh, this is more like wrestling. Okay, we dive in here. We're going to have the power adapter. So a small brick like the new ones come with, and a USB-C power cord with it. See if we can get in here. Not much to see apart from more packing. And probably a warranty card. Okay, so that's what we have in our laptop. Getting back to the laptop itself, I have to say it's right on the cusp of being slightly too heavy, but I think we're going to be able to survive with it. So right now, quality feels pretty good. Feels, let's compare it to this Yoga, probably the same. A little bit heftier, a little bit, I don't know if I can say it feels like definitely metallic, but it feels good enough. Definitely a lot heftier than the LG Gram. Pretty slick. As you can see, everything is offset with a numeric pad over here. We have a fingerprint reader over here, a large touchpad. This, by the way, is a 2-in-1 laptop, and here we have a Alder Lake CPU. I think this is the 1260p, so decent performance, and it comes with the Intel Iris Xe graphics. There is a version that comes with Intel Arc graphics, but then when I started pricing it out, it just went sky high. And this one is right now on sale. I wish the 14-inch was on sale, but unfortunately it wasn't, and this is the most affordable option. My old Yoga is on the cusp of dying. It's making some weird noises, fan noises, probably just cooling fan noises, but nevertheless, if it dies, it's going to be a very sad day. So this one is Evo certified. So we have the 7i 16. It has a full HD webcam. It has 16 gigs of RAM, and it has a 512 gig hard disk. Now you can get a variety of configurations for this computer. As I mentioned, you can get it with an i5, you can get it with an i7, you can get it with Intel Iris, you can get it with Intel Arc, you can get several versions of hard disk sizes. So whatever you pick, you can get it. I'm not sure that some of these components are hard soldered to the computer. They are with the LG RAM, so that means you might not be able to upgrade them in the future. Got a band over here with speakers. So what else do we have? 4x speakers, and with the Alder Lake we should get great battery life. We have a slider for the webcam, so you can physically shut it off. Now as for ports are quite an important thing for me. We have a HDMI, we have a USB 3.2, we have two USB-Cs, which I think are 4.0, and we have a full SD card slot over here. That is excellent connectivity. Over here we have a headphone jack, and we have a USB 3.2 jack over here. So I think we're fully covered, and it's great that we can just hook this straight to a monitor. You probably can, with a USB-C, hook it to a hub that can supply you with power, hook you to graphics and your peripherals as well. This color, I don't know what you call it. It's a lighter gray. It's not the dark charcoal gray, but it looks great. It doesn't attract. Maybe. Yeah.
Really?
I'm a YouTube star.
What do you do?
Yeah, I'm doing my influencer.
What's your name on YouTube? I'm always on YouTube.
Never mind. Don't worry about it.
No, really. What's your name? I'll subscribe.
Let me finish here, and then we'll catch up with you. Okay? It's recorded.
It's live? Sorry.
No worries. Okay, one thing I noticed is that it doesn't have a pen in the packaging, and it's a 2-in-1, so we can fold this thing over here and turn it into a tablet. It's got a very glossy screen. Over here we have the vents, and what else do we have behind it? I see we have plenty of cooling vents in the back. So I'm going to set it up and use it. I don't think I'm going to provide further feedback. It's just going to be the standard Lenovo and Windows 11. But there you have it, a quick introduction to the Lenovo Yoga 7i 16-inch. So I've started setting up the Lenovo 7i 16, and I've come to the conclusion that it is just too heavy for me, for the way I use it. If you use this on a desktop, you'll be fine. Very solidly built and very nice to use, but for somebody who is flipping this around, this is not going to work. So we're just going to have to go with the LG Gram. By the way, please give me thumbs up, like, and thanks for watching.